Psalms 91. Whoever goes to the Lord for safety, whoever remains under the protection of the mighty one, his wings, and you will be safe in his care. His faithfulness will protect and defend you. You need not fear any dangers at night, or sudden attacks during the day, or the plagues that strike you during the night, or in the dark,
in the name of the God of Jacob, protect you. May send you help from the sanctuary, and grant you support from Zion. May you remember all your sacrifices and accept your burnt offering. Cried out, may you deliver. In you they trusted and were not put to shame. But I am a worm, and not even human, scorned by everyone, and despised by all kinds of people. All who see me mock me. They hurl insults, shaking their heads at me. You trust in God. They say, let the Lord rescue him. Let him deliver him, since he delights in him. Yet you brought me out of the womb. You made me trust in you, even at my mother's breast. From birth I was cast out. From my mother's womb have been my God. Do not be far from me. May the Lord answer you, and there's no one to help me. When you are in distress, may the name of the God of Jacob protect you. May send you help from the sanctuary, and grant you support from Zion. May you remember all your sacrifices and accept your burnt offering. May he give you the desires of the God of Jacob and make all your plans succeed in the sanctuary. May we shout for joy over your victory. May we lift up our banners and praise of our God. May the Lord grant all your desires. Now this I know, and may the Lord give victory to his anointed. May we shout for joy over your victory. Heaven and lift up our sanctuary in the name of our God. Successful power, all his righteous hand. Now this I know, some the Lord give victory to his anointed. And some in horses, but we will trust in his heaven with the Lord our God. They are brought to the knees and fall, but we rise and stand rightful hand. Hashem, some gives the confidence to answer. Some in horses, but we will trust in the name of the Lord our God. They are brought to the knees and fall, but we rise and stand firm. My God, Hashem, why have you forgotten me? Answer. Why are you so far from saving me? So far from the presence of English. My God, I cry out by day. You do not answer. By night, my God, but I find no sleep. Why have you forgotten me? Why are you so far as the Holy One of Israel, so far from the presence of English? My God, I cry out by day. You do not answer. My ancestors prayed, and I find no sleep. They trusted in you, and you saved them. As the Holy One of Israel, they cried out, and were delivered. You they trusted and were not put to shame. I am a worm, and not even human, scorned by everyone, and you saved my family. All who see me cried out, mock me delivered. They hope they trusted me, so not shaking their heads. I am a worm, trust in God. They say, let the Lord by everyone. Let him deliver him, since he delights in him. All who see me out of the womb, you made me trust me, even at my mother's breast. Shaking their heads from birth, he trusts in God. From my mother's womb have been my God. Him deliver not since he delights in him. The trouble is near, and there is no one to help me. Trust me, even at my mother's breast. From birth, fools have been cast on circle me. From my mother's womb, lions have been my God. Their prey. Do not open up their mouths, for trouble is near, and there is no one to help. Lord, out bulls surround me now, and all my bones are out of joint. My heart is turned to wax, is melted within me. My mouth is dried up like a potsherd, and my tongue sticks to the roof of my mouth. You laid me in the dust of death. Dogs, all my bones surround me. A pack of my heart is turned to wax, it is melted within me. My mouth is dried up like a potsherd, and my tongue sticks to the roof of my mouth. You laid me in the dust of death. Dogs surround me. A pack of villains gather around me. They pierce my hands and my feet. All my bones are out of me on display. People stare and gloat over me. They divide my clothes among them and cast lots for my garment. But you, Lord, do not be far from me. You are my strength. Come quickly to help me. Deliver me from this sword, my precious life from these dogs. Rescue me from the mouth of these lions. Save me from the horns of the wild oxen. I will declare your name to my people. May the Lord answer you. I will praise you. When you are in stress, may the name of the God of Jacob protect you. May he send you help from the sanctuary and grant you support from Zion. May he remember all your sacrifices and accept your burnt offerings. May he give you the desires of your heart and make all your plans succeed. May we shout for joy over your victory and lift up our banners in the name of our God. May the Lord grant all your requests. Now this I know, the Lord gives victory to his anointed. He answers him from his heavenly sanctuary with the successful power of his rightful hand. Some put their confidence in chariots and some in horses, but we will trust in the name of the Lord our God. They are brought to their knees and fall, but we rise and stand firm. Hashem, give victory to your king. Answer us, and we will call. My God, why have you forgotten me? Why are you so far from saving me, so far from the cries of anguish?